Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the menu bar on macOS Tahoe. First, let's head over to System Settings. Once you're here, scroll down and select Menu Bar. Right at the very top, you'll see an option called Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. You've got four choices here. The first one is Always. This means the bar stays hidden until you hover your mouse at the very top of the screen to reveal it. The second option is On Desktop Only. Honestly, in my personal experience, this feels a lot like the Always setting. It just seems to stay hidden most of the time. The third option is actually my favorite, in Full Screen Only. This hides the menu bar only when you open an app in full screen mode, but keeps it visible otherwise. I think this is the most practical setup because when you're full screen, hiding the menu bar really helps you stay focused without distractions. And the last option is Never, which simply means the menu bar is always visible. Now, if you look at the Show Menu Bar Background toggle, when you turn this on, you'll see a distinct background color on the menu bar, separating it from your desktop wallpaper. If you turn it off, it gives you a much cleaner, more seamless look. So that's how you change your menu bar visibility settings on the latest macOS. Don't forget to smash that like button if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next video.